A healthcare worker who was accused of molesting a teen at the Noel Holmes Hospital in Hanover in May last year has been found guilty of indecent assault. He's expected to be sentenced next month. Anthony Lugg has the details in this primetime news follow-up.
A little less than a year after her daughter was molested by Damien Bigby, a nurse's assistant at the Noel Holmes Hospital in Hanover, news the family had been waiting for.
Mr. Bigby was found guilty and the matter postponed for sentencing on June 14, 2022.
In a voice note sent to our news center on Thursday, the child's mother, while expressing her satisfaction with the verdict, explained how traumatic the last year has been.
I have prayed days and nights that the truth shall prevail. I'm so satisfied with the outcome of the justice system. I can also say that with this verdict, other predators out there molesting children will take heed.
Reports are that the teen was molested by Mr. Bigby after she was admitted following a suicide attempt. At the time, we had a voice actor read the chilling excerpt from the child's statement.
I want this to never happen to another patient at the Lucy Hospital again. The only thing that keeps pushing me is the fact that I want to be the last. I want this to end. Let me be the last.
The child's mother commended the quick response by the police and the Western Regional Health Authority, who immediately launched an internal investigation into the matter.
I commend the investigative team for their tedious effort in bringing this case to a successful prosecution. The family and community were very supportive in this process.
So, sentencing has been set for June 14. Under the Sexual Offences Act, a convicted person could face up to 15 years in prison. Meanwhile, this caution to parents.
Show your children love and listen to them when they say they have been molested or touched by anyone at any place or time. Stop being afraid of reporting it to the justice system. I got justice. You can also. God is my rock. I shall not be moved.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.